Hey all, welcome back to another video waypoint. These videos are short, actionable tips to help guide you down the path of leveraging video to grow a more flexible and profitable business. Today I've got a crucial piece of advice that's particularly significant for solopreneurs and other super small businesses. And that is what's important to your business is specific to your business. To illustrate this point, I want to share a story from one of our recent VCN office hours sessions. A VCNer came into office hour with the intention of learning how to shift all of her future video content to a vertical video format. Now, this wasn't a whimsical decision. She'd been told that vertical video was the trend to follow, and largely that's true. Vertical video is prevalent on many social media platforms and is even touted as a best practice by a lot of folks. But before we move forward, we had to pause and ask, what about her specific situation? Uniquely, this VCNer had published a fair amount of both vertical and horizontal videos, and this gave us a golden opportunity to ask a pivotal question. What does your audience prefer? What format are they more likely to watch and engage with? The analytics for social media content like this are easy to obtain and analyze. So, in a situation like this, you can let your unique audience decide. The best practice might dictate vertical video, but if her audience resonates more with horizontal video, she should stick to that. What may be considered a best practice may not be best for your business or your audience. This story underscores how understanding your unique business needs and audience can shift the dynamic. Video formats, like other aspects of your business, should be dictated by the specific business requirements that you have and not necessarily what's trending or a best practice. So when you're crafting your next video strategy, remember, what's important for your business is specific to your business. Don't lose sight of that. I'd love to hear from you on this subject. Have you found things that work for others didn't quite work for you, or something that you do is maybe not a best practice but works for you? Share your experiences in the comments. And thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you at the next video waypoint.